Hello everyone, so let me introduce myself first. My name is Sellina Putri. You can call me Sellin, and I'm from 5D with students ID numbers 21130118083. So for the fulfillment of the final assignment of the EFM 2 course, I will explain the answers of the materials questions that I have chosen. The name of the material is the speed of racing cars. Okay, first I will show you the graph of the speed of racing car along 3-kilometer track. It is the second lap. So this graph shows how the speed of racing cars varies along a flat 3 kilometer during its second lap. So what I see from this graph, there is 3 turns with the second turn is the longest track. Okay, let's move on for the question number 1. So the question number 1 is, what is the approximate distance from the starting line to the beginning of the track? So my answer is 1.5 kilometer, because we can see from the graph before that when the line is straight, it means that the car is going on a straight track too. Therefore, the speed will be the same. It will go the same straight track. And from the picture, I can see that the longest track is when before touching 1.5 kilometer from the starting line. So the answer is 1.5 kilometer. Let's move on to the second question. So the second question is, what was the lowest speed recorded during the second lap? So there is a graph in this slide. We can see that the lowest speed is at about 1.3 kilometer, because we can see that the lowest point is at the second turn. It has sharpened turn, and it's between 1.2 and 1.4, so it is about 1.3 kilometer. Okay, let's move on for the third question. So the third question says, what can you say about the speed of the car between 2.6 kilometer and 2.8 kilometer marks? So I already cut the graph. It shows the 2.6 kilometer and 2.8 kilometer marks. So my answer is, the speed of the car is increasing, because the graph is increasing, right? The graph is increasing, so it show what the speed of the car. So if the graph is increasing, so the speed of the car is also increasing. And let's move on for the last question. It's question number 4. So the question is, along which one of the tracks, there is 5 tracks, A, B, C, D, E. Along which one of the tracks was the car driven to produce the speed graph shown earlier? So my answer, let's analyze one per one. So first thing, we need to remove A and E. In my opinion, because the graph just show us there are 3 turns that I already said earlier, that the graph is just show 3 turns. So because A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turn, I will eliminate it, and the E track is it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turn 2. So we can eliminate A and E tracks. So next, we can see from the graph that the second turn is has a steep, or sharp turn and the longest straight turn among 3 turns. So from that statement we can eliminate C because the C tracks has same turn, not has the longest or not, but it has like same track, so it will show us the stable graphic, not just like our graph. So that's why I will eliminate the C, so there is just B and D. So my answer is B because we can see that the second turn is not long as the first turn, because the first turn from the starting line with the D track has longest turn among the 3 turns from D tracks. So my answer is B. Okay, because we have already answer all the 4 questions of this material, the speed of racing car. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you.